Flying a drone isn't just about sending a gadget into the sky anymore. It's about stepping inside the cockpit and seeing the world as if you were actually there. FPV drones have completely changed aerial filming, turning each flight into a cinematic adventure where every twist and dive feels like a scene from an action movie. In 2025, the FPV market has matured. Even budget-friendly options now deliver stabilized footage, long transmission range, and intuitive controls, while premium models push the limits with 4K ultra-wide cameras, extended flight times, and pro-grade customization. Whether you're a beginner looking to get your first taste of immersive flight or a filmmaker chasing breathtaking one-take shots through forests, cities, or racing tracks, the choice of FPV drone matters. In this ranking, we'll move from affordable entry-level kits to flagship beasts trusted by professionals, highlighting the strengths, limitations, and key specs that set them apart in today's competitive landscape.
At fifth place, we put the N11 Pro, a lightweight GPS-equipped FPV quadcopter that makes aerial filming accessible without FAA registration hassles. Despite its compact sub-250-gram build, it brings features that usually belong to mid-range models. A stable GPS plus optical flow positioning system, auto return for safety, and 3 batteries that stretch flight time up to an impressive 90 minutes. The brushless motors provide quiet yet powerful propulsion, while the foldable frame and carrying case make it practical for travel. Video comes through a 4K sensor with a 90-degree adjustable wide-angle lens, enough for casual cinematic shots and clear FPV transmission over 5 GHz. Of course, limitations are present. Dynamic range is modest compared to premium cameras, and strong winds can still expose its lightweight frame. Still, for a budget-minded pilot wanting long airtime, smart GPS modes like Follow Me, and straightforward control, the N11 Pro offers one of the most balanced entry points into immersive FPV filming in 2025.
At fourth place, we highlight the BETAFPV Cetus Pro FPV kit, a brushless hoop quadcopter tailored for newcomers who want to progress quickly from casual flying to true FPV skills. Unlike entry-level GPS drones, this kit is designed specifically to teach proper FPV piloting, complete with 3 flight modes: normal, sport, and full manual, letting beginners start safe and gradually unlock freestyle capabilities. The included altitude hold in N mode makes indoor hovering surprisingly steady, while features like self-protection and emergency landing help minimize crashes. A standout is turtle mode, allowing the drone to flip itself back upright after landing upside down, a feature normally reserved for higher-end racers. Build quality is robust for a micro-drone, with brushless motors that add both durability and extra punch compared to brushed alternatives. Downsides include short flight times per battery and a learning curve once you leave assisted modes, but that's part of the FPV journey. Overall, Cetus Pro remains one of the best training kits in 2025, bridging the gap between toy drones and serious freestyle machines.
At third place comes the GEPRC Cinelog30 V3 O4, a purpose-built cinematic FPV drone that elevates footage quality into professional territory. Outfitted with the O4 Pro Air unit, it captures crisp 4K video at up to 120 FPS, with exceptional low-light performance and refined color reproduction, ideal for cinematic one-takes or complex tracking shots. The engineering is just as impressive. An aluminum-reinforced frame shields critical electronics, while dust-proof port covers and an impact-resistant canopy keep the camera safe during aggressive maneuvers. Power comes from 1404 3850 kV motors paired with HQ prop tri-blade props, tuned through a Taker F722 45A flight system for precise response and stability even when pushing through wind. Pilots will appreciate the thoughtful modularity, including anti-spark protection, quick-swap canopies, and receiver bays that make upgrades simple. Naturally, the Cinelog30 is more demanding than beginner kits. Batteries drain quickly under heavy use, and its performance edge is best realized in skilled hands. But for those who demand cinema-level smoothness and durability in a compact FPV platform, this drone is a standout choice in 2025.
At second place, we move into a whole new league with the Holy Stone HS600D, a drone that blurs the line between hobbyist fun and semi-professional aerial production. Outfitted with a Sony f/.3-inch CMOS sensor, 8K stills, and a stabilized 3-axis 4K EIS camera, this upgraded flagship delivers visuals that feel more like cinema than consumer tech. The long-range transmission pushes up to 20,000 feet, keeping your feed clear and stable even in challenging conditions, while dual batteries extend airtime to an impressive 80 minutes. Rare endurance at this price point. Beyond raw specs, Holystone introduces creative modes like vertical video capture for social media, automated time-lapse photography, and GPS follow-me functions that let the drone track subjects smoothly without extra effort. FAA Remote ID compliance ensures worry-free flights, and features like auto-return, one-key ascent, and precise GPS positioning keep operations safe. On the downside, while image quality is excellent for the class, it won't fully rival dedicated cinema rigs, and its bulkier frame makes it less nimble for tight freestyle maneuvers. Still, the HS600D represents one of the best bridge drones of 2025. Accessible to enthusiasts, yet powerful enough to satisfy serious creators.
Taking the crown at first place is the DJI Avata 2, the drone that has become the benchmark for immersive FPV in 2025. With its ultra-wide 155 degrees field of view and a 1.3-inch sensor pushing crisp 4K 60 FPS or silky 100 FPS slow motion, it delivers breathtaking visuals that feel like a Hollywood chase scene straight out of the box. What sets the Avata 2 apart is how it balances adrenaline with accessibility. Intuitive motion control lets even beginners steer naturally with hand gestures, while easy ACR mode unlocks flips, rolls, drifts, and power loops without months of training. DJI's ecosystem is fully here. Seamless pairing with multiple goggles and controllers ensures both versatility and an upgrade path for serious pilots. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. Integrated prop guards allow confident flying indoors or in tight spaces, and the compact, lightweight frame makes it a grab-and-go tool for creators. Downsides? Battery life isn't as long as larger GPS drones, and its price positions it firmly in the premium segment. Yet no other model offers such a complete blend of cinematic quality, pilot-friendly design, and pure FPV thrill. For professionals and enthusiasts alike, the Avata 2 stands as the ultimate FPV choice of 2025.